We'll guide you through how to turn off Apple Music automatically playing when your iPhone connects to a car or Bluetooth. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be frustrating that whenever your phone connects to your car or Bluetooth, the Apple Music automatically plays. You may not want it to go and be playing, and it does. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and stop this. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this video. We've gone and found a resolution for this. So to go and get started, you want to come to the second page of your iPhone. Find the Utilities folder and you want to go and find Shortcuts. If you've moved the Shortcuts app, you can go and drag down and go and type in Shortcuts. Then you want to come to the bottom left and find Library and tap there. You can come to the top right and press the plus. Now in Search Actions, you want to go and type in Pause. Select Play/Pause and press back. Then you can come to the bottom and select Automation. You can go and find the option for New Automation like so. Then press Search at the bottom and you want to go and type in Bluetooth and tap there. Where it says Device, tap there and you can select any device or you can go and select the specific one. I'll do any. You want to select Is Connected and then Run Immediately and press Next. Now we're going to choose what's happening. So you want to come into My Shortcuts and you can press Play/Pause. That should be it. Now, when your iPhone goes and connects to the car or Bluetooth, then it's going to go and pause when it goes and starts playing. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again.